My beautiful days. Today I want to show you my Black Friday Pioneer haul that I did. I was so amazed because I found all this right here, reasonable price, and I'm just going to show you. But for $20 I picked up this. It came in a big package, but it's this cutting board right here. It says, sorry for the shadow, but it says Pioneer Woman right there. It came with this little whisk, this 2 knife, and what I like about the knife, it has the protectors right there, and I'm gonna be very careful. But see the beautiful pattern on it, and then I just love that blue. And it came with the measuring cups, came with a little mixing bowl, some little measuring spoons, came with a spoon rest, and it came with this 4 this 4 spatulas right here. This one says peace, love, and cookies. This one says stir up some good times, and just love the pattern. This one says, oh come on, happiness is homemade. And then this little tiny one right here says live, love, bake. And guys, all this right here with the cutting board, the small cutting board, was $20. Now, out of all this, what I love the most is this, guys. They were $10 each. I always wanted to get her books, and this is the Pioneer dinner time one. And it says comfort classic freezer food, system mini meals, and other delicious ways to solve supper. Let me put this one away over here. Then this one is called the Pioneer Come and Get It. I just love her book, and it's full of beautiful recipes, guys. Oh my god, I just can't get enough. I always want it, and they are easy recipes, and then all of them has pictures and show you step by step, so it's very easy to follow. Then the next one that I picked up was the one called Pioneer, a year of holiday, and this is 140 step-by-step recipes for simple scrumptious celebrations. So I'm excited to try this one. Yeah, look at this, guys. I just love it. It's so colorful. And then the next one is called, last but not least, the Pioneer Woman Cook Food from My Frontier. I just love, and the colors, guys, like you can't eat these colors combination. You know, you got that cream, you got that blue, you got that hunter green, and then you have that red, that popping red. Now there was another color, another book that she had that I couldn't get because unfortunately, guys, it was damaged, and it was also $10, so I was like very upset. But I was just happy that I found these. Again, all these things right here, this right here, along with the cutting board was $20, and then the books were 10 a piece. So that is my haul for you guys. I hope you enjoy watching. Please do give the video a thumbs up. Share with friends and family, and let me know if you would like me to do a meal out of one of these books. You pick the book, and you tell me if you want to see me do one of her recipe and one of the Cooking with Janet series. So being that said, bye bye guys, I'll see you in my next video.